This is washed and dried rice. Now we will go to the machine vendor and get it powdered.
Okay, so my mom just got back and she's looking so cute.
The rice flour should be very smooth in texture. I woke up a little late and they had already started preparing, so I missed to record few things. But never mind, I'll just tell you what is that. So she has boiled water along with some salt, and then she has started adding the rice flour. We should be really careful on how much we need to add. It should match the amount of water that you have put. Since we have so many people at home today, we are preparing it in really large quantity. So the next step is to start mixing the rice flour to make a thick rice dough. This is really a toughest job to do. You need to make sure there are no lumps and every part of the flour is incorporated properly, and it shouldn't be too thin as well. So this was quite a task and my sister is doing it, which she was not able to. Then she called my brother-in-law. Now both are doing it. Finally, I think we did it. Actually, no. I still see some lumps over there. A little more beating would be fine.
Okay, while they're doing it, I'll quickly show you the stuff that we are gonna use for pressing. So you get this brass cylindrical shaped Savia machine in Amazon or in any local market, and these are the jalis that are used. You know, these jalis are used to make different types of sevia, sev, murku, chakli, bhujia, etc. The one which we will be using today is this one, or maybe the one which is more thinner than this. My sister will tell which one. Okay, this wooden one is there from like past 20 years. I have been seeing this from my childhood. So we are also using this one today. Okay, finally the rice dough is done. I still see some lumps, but just take it out like how my sister is taking that out. That should be fine. My Jiju is doing the first batch. These cuties were sitting and watching. Okay, my sister came now. This is my another sister. She has changed the jali to the smaller holes. I think now this is perfect. We call this as OTTHU SHYAVIGE in Kannada, IDIYAPPAM in Kerala, NOOL PUTTU in Tamil Nadu, and Indian noodles in English. And I guess it's semia in Hindi. Correct me if I'm wrong. In Kerala, they usually steam it after the semia is pressed, but that's not required if your rice dough is really good and well cooked. So we are just transferring it on a clean wet cloth, letting it dry.
Finally, ready to serve. So mom had prepared chicken stew for all those chicken lovers. This serving is for Rakesh. I asked him to review it, but he was kind of shy. You know, he's at his in-laws' place. Okay, this is my serving and I'm eating with coconut milk. I just love the way my mom makes this. This combination is like out of the world for me. So I can eat this entire day. Let me enjoy my breakfast. See you all later.